Springtime temperatures bring the threat for severe weather across the country. Damaging winds, large hail, and yes, even the threat for a tornado is possible. I'm sure that you've seen us here on Weather Nation use graphics very similar to this one. This is the Storm Prediction Center's graphic in conjunction with the National Weather Service and NOAA that they put out to determine where they think the greatest potential for severe weather will fall. Now, we first start off with light green, which is associated with general thunderstorms. Typically not severe, but small hail and winds around 40 miles per hour are possible. Then, in the dark green, our marginal risk is the threat for isolated severe thunderstorms, which usually around 40 to 60 mile per hour winds and a low tornado risk. With the color yellow, a slight risk, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible. Usually shortly lived and isolated storms with the possibility of 1 or 2 tornadoes can occur. An enhanced risk, in orange, indicates numerous severe thunderstorms. A few tornadoes, wind damage, and hail of about 2 inches in diameter are all possible. Our severe weather threat increases with a moderate risk, seen in red. Widespread and intense long-lived storms are possible. Yes, strong tornadoes with widespread wind damage and very large hail are the biggest threats. The greatest risk for severe weather comes from a high risk, seen in magenta. This is where we could see a tornado outbreak with widespread damage possible and particularly dangerous storms, including derechos. If you happen to see any of these colors fall on the map across the country, and more specifically in the area that you live in, it is most important to stay weather aware. For Weather Nation, I'm meteorologist Josh Cozart.